How does a living organism make it through the day? How does that body understand what it sees, where to go, and how to digest daily nutrition? What we're talking about is signal transduction, the way with which cells communicate with one another. Communication is important to all living organisms, but essential in multicellular organisms that need to coordinate cellular activities and reactions. There are three parts to a signal pathway: the stimulus, receptor, and ultimately the response. Take this cell, for example. It will be involved in a signal pathway and represents any cell in the body. Here is our stimulus. The stimulus is a signal which may come in the form of a chemical messenger, hormone, or environmental cue. Here we have the receptor. Receptors are specific to their stimulus. When the stimulus occurs, the receptor will take the signal into the cell. We call this transduction. That message can then be modified or translated. It can be amplified, or through a process called bifurcation, be split, with one signal continuing on and the next headed for an adjacent cell. When the signal reaches the nucleus, the message is interpreted and a response occurs, often the product of gene regulation. There are generally 6 types of messages and cellular responses. The cell may move by way of contracting or releasing, secrete other messenger molecules, differentiate, maintain its course, divide, or die. Cells use these signal transduction pathways to regulate the activities of the cell.